Hey guys, happy Easter. I'm just joining in today to share with you our Easter dinner. Here is the before and after. Here is the meat. I season up the turkey wings. I use the regular stuff, sage, poultry season, onion powder, garlic powder, and some other little things. So that's the meat right now. And then here is the after, all done, delicious looking baked turkey wings and the little gravy that it made on there. Now, moving on, I also have some candy yams. As you can see, I shredded some butter. I what do you call it? I grated some fresh nutmeg because I'm allergic to the cinnamon, and I put a good amount of that tasty vanilla that I use. This is before. Now here's the after. Delicious caramelized candy yams. Boy, were they good. Now moving on, I got some macaroni and cheese. Here's the before. No, I forgot the before, so we'll just share the after. I don't know how I did that to get the before the macaroni and cheese, which I grated the cheese. I got the butter and all my other seasonings and stuff in it. And then this is what it looks like after it got done. And also we had some string beans out the can, cooked them, flavored them up with a little bit of seasoning, the string beans. So we had candy yams, string beans. Oh, I also did some stovetop dressing. As you can see, I forgot to do a before on that, and here's the after. It's already done and ready. We had a beautiful dinner. This is our amazing dinner. We enjoyed it tremendously. I want to thank you all for watching. Please continue to come back and support this channel and try and come back and watch. Come on, let's make some business videos, my grocery shopping haul videos. And if you would like, join me on my gardening channel. It's a lot of amazing things happening over there. And also on my crafting channel, there's a lot of amazing things happening over there. I'm going to be doing a new thing on my crafting channel. It's going to be, how to learning how to decorate a tier tray. Okay, I'm going to let y'all go. Thank you. And visitors, passing-bys, looking loose, trolleys. And how did I get over here on this channel, folks? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, hit the notification bell. You've been here several times, so why not just hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment or emoji if you're too shy to speak. To say anything in the comment section. Okay, let y'all go. Hope y'all had a beautiful Easter Sunday. Bye.